Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the smart replay feature in your Gmail account. So this basically allows you to pre-generate Gmail response in which you can modify as you see fit before sending them. However, it would help speed up the process if it's a pretty generic response like thank you for following up or I will see you later. Sometimes like that, generally speaking, those kind of responses. I show you guys how to enable or disable that feature. All you have to do is open up Gmail, click on settings icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down. Under here smart replay, show suggest replies when available. You can turn on or off by your preferences. After doing changes, you just need to scroll down and select save changes option to save it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.